Things that I love about this one specifically is it's a 3/4 horsepower. So a nice size, especially for a family. As you're coming around the back, comes with its drain pipe coming out. Super easy to pop on and off right here, as well as it does shift coming around. So then I can adjust when I'm doing my install. I can adjust it so then it looks like this is front of the face, or if my drain pipe is over here to the side, then I can shift it so then it comes out good. Install is pretty easy. It also comes with a nice magnet to be able to keep metal things from falling in. Super easy to take off. It just slides from here, goes off and then pops down and then slides back up and into place. Easy there. And then it does come with the top pieces here. So you can see our drain cover as well as our rubber stopper there. So everything works good.